That's it. I'll see.
I got
Hi
blessings
guys.
falling on me. I got weapons, lean on arms. That like Tetris, you don't know me. That my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many
nice.
bags on me, you would've thought I would get spray ground. Now they know I don't play around.
Yeah.
I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight now. No, they ain't in town.
I like
I get rich, watch, then I get a sick tax. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth.
What?
I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really.
And I definitely look like Tyler with this hair. Am I wrong?
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah.
Open air, side by side, we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back, honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
비가 내리면 자연스레 너를 떠올려 따스해지니까 Don't know how I can explain 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어 나 왜 이런 걸까
I'm having serious acne. Can you guys see? To be honest, you guys, styling my natural hair is a lot of work. So I'm always too lazy to do that. Until 3 p.m. I need to be where I'm going to at 4. So I need to start leaving here. Highest 3:40. I need to start leaving here. I'm just going to use this. Usually works. I have to get into makeup right now.
Oh yeah, it's good. You got it.
So yeah, I am done. It's currently 5:18 p.m. We need to start heading out now, but she asked me to wait so that she can leave her house before I leave my house. So yeah, this is what I am putting on. To be honest, I can't remember where this top is from. I'm putting it on with these pants I got from Ayoma Styles as well. So it sounds like a leggings, but a thicker and stronger version of a leggings. Okay, that's it. I'll see you guys when I get to the car. Bye. Guys, I think I'm here. I think that should be the place, Bills. So we are here. I am here to see Fatima. We're supposed to have a lunch, but it's already late, so we're having dinner sort of. We haven't seen each other in a while, so yeah, we're just here to catch up, eat and enjoy ourselves. Okay, so yeah, let's start going. Say hi to Fatima.
Hi, YouTube.
I didn't know what to do to my hair. I was so tired.
I want my
When it's getting darker, I like the breeze.
hi.
Say hi to Fatima.
Hi, YouTubers. I can't even act right just knowing that people are gonna.
Yeah, running towards you. Actually, what is it?
I'm actually amazed because I'm not a fan of chicken wings, but this was spicy
And nice.
and nice.
Yeah. So this is a must have. I'm going to try this one, but this is what I expected it to look like. So
The wings was nice. The portions are a lot, so don't bother buying food for two. Anyway, it has nice places to take pictures of. The manager as well that just passed is nice.
Fatima, please, you should open it. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, 10:24. I'm currently heading to the salon, okay? Because I want to get my hair done today. I feel like this hair has tried. If you are a natural hair girly, you know that carrying your hair out for some time is like a lot of work. Pretty much so far, my hair has been okay. That's tried. I'm going to get like an all back. I'm going to show you guys the style I'm getting anyways. Yeah, I don't know if I've said it at this point. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Sophie. And yes, we use shoelace. Natural hair girls use shoelace to pack our hair. Okay, that's the agenda for today. Actually, just making our hair and looking like a human being. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm doing. So this is the hair. So now I'm going to quickly pack my bag. I'm one of those people that like to go with a big bag to the salon because I just like to put bottled water, just put a lot of stuff in my bag that will keep me company while I make my hair. So yeah, let's pack our bag. My tripod, gloss, sunshade, driving license, ATM card, my other phone. For scent, I'm going to use Kelly and YSL. It's Kelly. I've been loving it because it's like really strong fragrance. And this is YSL. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to see you guys when I get to the car. Okay, so let's go.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será?
Hey guys, it's supposed to be a vlog up today. I was too busy, I couldn't finish editing, so probably the vlog will go up on Wednesday. I'm really sorry you guys, like I tried. It's just been a very busy week for me, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the salon.
Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá. Y cuando la encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? No seas parte de mi amor.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Last time you guys saw me was definitely when I had my hair done. Today is Thursday, and what happened to me? If you guys watched the vlog very well, you would notice that I was chewing gum from the moment I left my house till when I got my hair done. And the hair I kind of got done was a very complicated hair that they had to hold properly. So I chewed gum throughout the whole process of them getting my hair done. That was a very bad idea and a bad thing to do. Okay, so I got home and I had a very big headache. I had headache for a very long time. I was feeling not myself. Okay, so yeah, I kind of went off because of that. I was just like, no, I need to take a chill pill. Okay, so in turn, don't do that. Today I'm going to see my friend. I'm late. I'm supposed to pick her up at 1. We are going to the mall. I need to get a birthday gift for a baby girl that is turning 1. So one of my family friends' baby, she's turning 1 on Sunday, and I was invited for the party. And I don't want to go empty-handed, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to look for gifts to buy her for the birthday. So that's what I'm up to. I just want to look put together. I haven't seen my friend since our trip to Qatar. So yeah, she's the one that was on the trip with me. I haven't really seen her since then. Make me sway, make me water. That's the inspiration for this hair. I'm loving it. I love how neat it is. This was done on Monday. You can see how neat this hair is. I have a natural hair, by the way, in case you do not know. So I have been using this Vaseline, to be very honest. I've not really had energy to go skincare shopping, and I'm even scared to go skincare shopping because I'm sure like everything is like expensive. Okay, yeah, let's put on earrings. Probably I've lost all my lashes from the lash extensions that I got done, but I'm super grateful for the little one I have left. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm really breaking out on this side of my face. Okay, I was leaving dark spots. So recently I've been loving how nice this smells, so I've been using it quite a lot. I'm going to top it off with this Chanel. Okay, just a little. I'm putting on this top from H&M. I got it on my Qatar trip. This pant is from Ioma Styles. Okay, that's where I got this pant from. I really love how simple and basic it is. My slippers is from PLT. It's this very clear slippers you see here. My bag is Michael Kors, and yeah, my hair is also giving what it should. So yeah, let's go. Well, it's let's go. Hi guys, so we have picked Mama Milan. Okay, so we came to the tailor's shop because she needs to get her fitting done. We're currently going to see Chinon, so she's close by. She's like 2 minutes away, so I was like, okay, let's just pop in and see her, and then from there we'll be heading to Jabi Lake Mall. Okay, so yeah, let's go.
To be honest,
this is nice, really nice. Oh my god, this is nice. So beautiful. I love this set. What? Look at this. Tell me you're an Igbo man without telling me you're an Igbo man. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, it's a set though. With the chair. This is so nice. This is 25,000 I'm seeing here. My eye is spinning me.
5K.
This is so expensive. Hi guys, good morning. No, good afternoon. Today is Sunday. Last time, let me take this out. Last time you guys saw me, I don't know, what was that? Oh, when I went to see my friend and did some errands. Today is Sunday, by the way. Yeah, look at this hair. I've been itching my hair because I have like a very itchy scalp, but it still looks very neat. Okay, today I have a child's birthday celebration to attend. Okay, the person is like a family to me, so I have to attend. Yeah, so that's the agenda for today. It's currently 1:23 p.m. I want to do my makeup and then dress up. I don't want to do anything too heavy, so we are going for a very natural, no lashes makeup today. Yeah, because it's a baby's celebration. I'm not supposed to come looking like a masquerade. Not like I look like a masquerade, but you get the point. I don't want to look too much. Okay, so then I'm going to go pick up my friend because we both are going for the birthday celebration. She has a baby, so you know she can relate better. So yeah, let's do my makeup before I start rambling too much. I don't want to ramble this morning, but let's do my makeup and then we'll catch up before I leave the house. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into it. I'm also running out of this as well.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 더 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나
While this is getting dried up, let me put on my outfit because we don't have time. We're just gonna do our liner, lashes, and that's it. Okay, so let me put on my outfit so we can do the rest of the rest. Okay, so chat. This is what I'm putting on. I'm going to show you guys clearly when I stand up. So I'm going to go over it with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss shade Fenty Glow 01 Gloss Bomb. That's it. I'm going to be putting this wristwatch on today because I know, don't complain, don't say I'm not wearing like proper jewelry, but it's because I want to actually count my steps today, so I prefer to wear this. I'm going to look for like the chain bracelet type to buy. So yeah, for earrings, you guys know now, me and earrings, we don't go so well, but I'll try. See, my hands are so dry, so I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline. For earrings, I'm going to go with this very simple one. I definitely look like Tyler now. Mama's way. I am done. Just a little bit of finishing touch. I'm going to use this because I want my makeup to hold today. I'm just going to cover here. Whew, survived. Okay, so I'm going to change my bag because I want to carry the Givenchy bag. I'm not getting used to carrying that Givenchy bag every time. Like this. Today I really want to smell rich, so I'm going to be using Scandal and Kayali. Okay, I want to smell like rich auntie vibes. That's why I'm using this too. I don't even have cash. Are you not supposed to have cash to spray, baby? To be honest, I'm getting really comfortable with this bag. This is what I want to carry. Okay, because I feel like it just has a lot of space compared to my other bags. I have to like transfer my stuffs from here to there. It has a good amount of space. My cards, my driving license, and cash. My toenail got broken, but I'm going to manage it, guys. I think I'm good to go. I'm going to show you guys the full outfit in the mirror and then we'll start heading out. So guys, this is the outfit. It's from Ioma Styles, the lady that styled my Qatar trip. Okay, so it's this top that looks like this. It comes with a pants. I really like how this looks. It's giving rich auntie vibes. Okay, and I definitely look like Tyler with this hair. Am I wrong? Anyways, this is what I look like. Okay, I have to put on slippers because the pants are a bit quite long and I don't want to put on heels to like spoil the length of it. This is how the length is meant to be. Okay, we're not talking too much. Let's start going.
baby, what you